Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you change username in chess.com. So let's get into this video. Firstly, open up chess.com. So go to the chess website and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, you're on your account. So what you're going to do now is on your top right here, you will see the settings option. So just hover your mouse on settings option here. So under settings, you'll see a profile option showing up. So what you have to do is click on profile. So once you click on profile here, if you scroll down, you will see the first information, like under basic member information, you will see username. So that's your current username. So this is my current username that I created while that I set up while creating the account. So what happens is if you click on the change option here, so there's a link here called change, click on change, and here you can like change your username, like you can update your username. So whatever your new username that you want to change to, so you can just type that in here and then hit on save. Just a note, keep in mind that like chess.com only allows you to change your username only once. So once you've created your account, so you'll only have the option to change your username only once after you have created your account. So just keep that in mind. So once you've already changed your account, just hit on save, and that's it. Your username will be changed, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.